Alex Kalish. I'm the Chief Strategy and Solutions Officer at Stratix. This class is about mobile support services. Once devices are out in the field and being used by users, you really have to have that proper support structure in place, because otherwise everything that happened before that doesn't really matter anymore. Devices are going to break when they're in the field. Employees and users of those devices are going to have questions. And if they don't have the right tools and the right mechanisms and support structures for them to be able to get those solutions resolved, then it's really not going to be a successful implementation or a successful overall program. It means a help desk that's always on 24/7, 365, with agents that are trained against your specific company's business requirements and use cases. It also means you've got a very well-trained MDM and support administration team that can be proactive and is constantly monitoring your environment and making sure they're surfacing reports and trends before issues actually arise and happen. And the last thing really comes down to real-time asset management and visibility. And you really have to do that because you've got a complex ecosystem of devices, and you've got devices out in the field and they're being used by employees that are coming in and out of the workplace, and without proper visibility to know where those devices are, it's really hard to have an effective management strategy. I think there's a couple of key differences really between a traditional IT support strategy and a mobile support strategy. The main one, though, is really, in my mind, IT support or traditional IT support is reactive. Meaning something happens and the resolution comes afterwards. And mobile inherently means it's always on. Mobile is so essential and so critical in the workplace now that you really have to have that same level of support underneath it to make sure that those devices and your employees are always remaining fully productive, and able to do what they're supposed to be doing out in the field. And that's really what a mobile strategy is designed to do.